Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alice, and we are
Nature Connects.
We are a new Cornish community interest company with a big vision: to engage people with the transformative power of nature to build a happier and healthier society.
Imagine a world where people felt more connected to themselves, to others, and to their natural surroundings. Where we took the time to smell the flowers, listen to the birdsong, taste wild food, laugh and share time together. Where we can talk about our hopes, fears and dreams for our future and supported each other in the individual way each of us might need. For some of us who've been lucky enough, coronavirus and lockdown have given us a glimpse into what that world might look and feel like. We've taken our hours daily exercise exploring a natural space nearby. We've supported or been supported in our communities to make sure no one goes without and that we all get what we need physically and emotionally. Those of us that have experienced this have found resoundingly positive results. Sadly, for many people this has not been the case. Lockdown itself has been linked to an increase in the frequency and severity of mental and physical health issues, particularly for those with no natural space nearby or those unable to take the time due to their caring or work responsibilities. Nature Connects wants to make sure that everyone that wants to can take time in nature. Through exploring natural spaces, Nature Connects will guide people to sow their own seeds, to grow their sense of belonging in nature and foster a deeper relationship with themselves and the world around them.